India's Vice Chief of Army Staff Lieutenant General Dira said Leibagasi Anova Chief of Army Staff oina khankhre. Hauzik Leibagasi Chief of Army Staff oiriba Upendra Divedi Tha Sigi Kuntrada Thabaktagi Hek Pothakibaga Lieutenant General Dira said na Numit Adumaktadagi Charles Asi Puba Hugutabane. Lieutenant General Dira said National Defense Academy Khadagwaslagi alumnus ama oina kumjai English nga machamapal marifu tarukta Arm Corps da commission tawrakhibani. Chahinifurom Indian Army da service tawraklaba officer ase tungan ba mafam amadi hiram kiyada experience talakhibani. Mahag Desert Sector gi Armored Regiment, Western Theatre gi Armored Brigade amadi Jammu amsung Kashmir gi Counter Insurgency Forcing Command tawraklaba officer amani. Mahagna Lieutenant General ama oina Indian Army ki Premier Strike Formation ama oiriba Sudarshan Chakra Corsu Command Tawraki, Madugi Matungda Mahag Delhi Area da General Officer Commanding Oina Thabak Purakibani.